Welcome to another luxurious and thrilling journey with KM Autos. Today we bring you a masterpiece that blends tradition with cutting-edge luxury, the 2025 Bentley Mulsanne EWB. A car that doesn't just promise prestige, it defines it. From the very first glance, the 2025 Bentley Mulsanne extended wheelbase makes its presence known. It's not loud, it's commanding. The silhouette is long and graceful, reminding you that this is not just a car, but a rolling statement of elite class. The front grille stands tall and proud, finished in polished chrome, flanked by LED matrix headlights that sparkle like fine diamonds. Every line, every curve has been sculpted with obsessive precision. The car is available in a breathtaking palette of bespoke Bentley colors, ranging from deep royal blues to shimmering silvers and rich maroons, each one designed to reflect elegance and power. Step closer and you'll notice the finely crafted details. The long wheelbase isn't just for looks, it adds more than 10 inches of rear legroom, turning the back seat into a first-class cabin. The doors close with a gentle hush, almost like the sound of success whispering in your ear. And once you're inside, it's a world apart. The interior of the 2025 Mulsanne EWB is a true celebration of craftsmanship. Bentley doesn't just build cars, it tailors experiences. The cabin is swathed in the finest leather sourced from northern European bulls, ensuring a blemish-free texture. You can choose from a range of colors: cream, mocha, black, burgundy, and even customize your own combinations. Real wood veneers, from walnut to eucalyptus, cover the dashboard and door panels, polished by hand until they shine like a grand piano. The seating is where the EWB truly lives up to its name. In the rear, passengers are treated to airline-style reclining seats with massage functions, footrests, and even fold-down picnic tables trimmed in leather and chrome. An advanced climate control system allows each occupant to fine-tune their environment. The ambiance is further enhanced by mood lighting and an optional panoramic sunroof, offering a view of the sky that feels like something out of a five-star hotel suite. But make no mistake, the 2025 Mulsanne EWB isn't just a palace on wheels, it's a beast when you want it to be. Under the hood, it houses a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 530 horsepower and an earth-moving 1100 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain can take the Mulsanne from 0 to 100 km per hour in just over 5 seconds. For a vehicle of this size and weight, that's pure engineering magic. Driving the Mulsanne is like piloting a private jet on wheels. The air suspension floats over bumps and imperfections like they don't exist. Yet when you push it into corners or take it down a winding road, the chassis responds with surprising agility. Bentley has mastered the art of creating a car that delivers both comfort and control in equal measure. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured in the back, the experience is nothing short of majestic. Technology is subtly integrated, ensuring it never overwhelms the classic character of the car. A hidden touchscreen rises from the center console, offering access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Rear seat passengers have access to individual infotainment screens, a premium NAIM for Bentley's sound system, and even an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot for seamless connectivity. This is where timeless luxury meets modern convenience. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2025 Mulsanne EWB comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous emergency braking. It's not just about being pampered, it's also about peace of mind. Of course, a Bentley wouldn't be complete without its almost limitless personalization options. From monogrammed headrests to crystal champagne flutes in the rear console, the Mulsanne EWB allows owners to make the car truly their own. Bentley's Mulliner division can fulfill almost any request. If you can dream it, they can create it. What makes the 2025 Mulsanne EWB truly special isn't just its specs or features. It's the feeling you get when you're inside it. A mix of power, pride, and peace. It's the knowledge that you're not just sitting in a car, you're sitting in one of the last truly handcrafted automobiles in the world. In an age where digital minimalism and mass production dominate the automotive world, the Mulsanne remains an icon of old-school luxury reborn with modern touches. The price? Well, exclusivity has its cost. The 2025 Bentley Mulsanne EWB starts at around $380,000 and goes upward rapidly depending on the customizations you select. But for those who can afford it, this car is not a purchase. It's an heirloom, a personal piece of history on wheels. In the world of flagship luxury sedans, the Bentley Mulsanne EWB stands apart. Not just because of its size, its performance, or its features, but because of what it represents, an unwavering commitment to craftsmanship, elegance, and the art of driving. For those who demand the very best and settle for nothing less, the 2025 Mulsanne is a dream realized. Thank you for watching KM Autos. If you love detailed reviews of elite and exotic cars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our next luxury ride reveal. Until then, drive safe, dream big, and keep riding in style.